The most frequent question we hear is, how is prefab going to benefit my project? They're going to benefit from schedule, safety, on-time deliveries. When working with Valley Prefab, you're going to get a very engaged team looking to solve your problems before they become problems during the construction process.
The Valley Prefab is something that is always top of mind when we go into pre-construction on a new build. We're working closely with the design partners and also bringing in Valley Prefab as a design assist partner. So it really works well to get everybody together in the same room talking about constructability. And I think what surprised me the most is just seeing the attention to detail and how Valley is always looking to optimize the process.
So getting in early is huge. You can start identifying the challenges a lot earlier, and it's a lot easier to make those adjustments early on in the design than it is later on in the design.
Everything is in a controlled environment. Everything is much more precise, and it's the way to get the best quality in construction that we need from a design side. Their willingness to be custom-oriented around these really high-profile moments is a really big advantage.
We're not a cookie cutter shop. We want everything that we do to be customized to fit your project. So we'll take a large scale and break that down in individual pieces. That process starts in the beginning and processes all the way through the shop till it's done and out the door.
For me, what's exciting about prefab is to have a finished product delivered to you that you just put in place. As everything goes through each stage, it's QA/QC'd by one person and signed off by that person doing the work before it moves on. Something you don't see in the field.
When you look across the construction industry, one of the biggest challenges that we're facing is there's not enough people to do all the work that needs to get done.
One thing that shocked me was just the size and scale. The diversity of what prefabricated materials that they do here was very interesting to see. A big problem that we have when we're doing construction on an active healthcare is the pressure that we put on that healthcare when construction is occurring. Valley was able to help us because we're able to prefabricate the work off-site. That helps reduce that burden.
A lot of times people think of us just as the framers on the job. We also do the air barriers, we also do the continuous insulation systems, we also do the claddings. So we're able to incorporate all those different lines of business that we do and consolidate them all down into one aspect.
I think prefab is the future of construction in general. It's better for everyone. It's better for the design team, but it's also better for the installers and the fabricators.
Prefab's here to stay, so we're really working together to better the industry. If we're able to come into a project and save you 3 months up front, it's allowing the electrician, the HVAC contractors more time down the road. If we're able to partner with the trades on site and develop a mindset of let's all work together, it adds a lot of value to both the project and the team.
Anytime when we've got the Valley team on the project, it certainly feels like a partnership. It's a true manufacturing type setup where details matter. The Valley team's looking at the most efficient way to build the components of our project.
Valley does a great job at testing those limits of what you can or can't do.
Present us with a challenge and we're going to come through. I think the sky's the limit for prefab.